So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are sharing some super scary decoration ideas for Halloween parties. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. So in this video we are sharing some super scary Halloween party ideas, some decoration ideas for your parties. So such as you can add balloons, scary balloons, and even you can make a spider like decoration, some kind of ghost. Otherwise you can add some pumpkins, lighting pumpkins. You can even make a orange and black kind of decoration that is super scary, some red and white. And here are a lot of ideas. So if you are not a big decoration expert, so you can easily choose the simplest ideas, but if you are an expert, then choose the most difficult, most stylish and super trending ideas. So guys, you can take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download the video for the future use. Or whenever you will free, you could go to your offline videos and watch the video till end. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.